Okay, so for this experiment, we're going to create a basin. We need to take a sheet of cardboard, fold the edges up to about 1.5 inches high, and then tape them off. We'll cover that over with a black plastic tablecloth. And then we're going to fill it with water from a water pitcher. We want the water to be about 3/4 of an inch deep. So now we're just taping off our can. We're going to take a break-off blade knife and put some protective gloves on. And we'll trim the area around where we've taped. And that'll create a flap that we can pull up, and it'll allow the warm air from the candle to escape. Okay, so we've got our friend Susie here, and she wants to get to the other side, as we said, to meet Billy, Tommy, and Joey. They're going to have a little party, hang out, and so they're on this side. They're like, yay, let's do this, this is going to be awesome. So they're all hanging out over there with our little ping pong ball faces. And they're like, Susie, come on, hang out, let's do something. We're going to go see a movie. We're going to a party. And so Susie's like, they tend not to stay upright very well. They have a lot of problems with that. So especially Tommy. So Tommy's going to stay upside down over there. Susie's over here and she's like, oh, I wish I could hang out with my friends. And so she's wanting to go over and hang out with him, but she doesn't want to get in the water, and she needs to find a way to get across the water to hang out with her friends. So she ends up thinking about like all of the things that she has, and she has a candle, and she has a tea candle, and she has a can. This is just a standard soda can. And so she's like, I have a candle and I have a can. So she modified the can, and the can's taken on some water. That's okay though. So she modified the can, and she wants to use the can to get across the water in a really quick way. So she made this thermal sail, cut it out, and she's going to put the candle inside the can. And then she's going to see if she can use it to get across the pond and to hang out with Timmy, Tommy, and Joey. All right. So she's going to light the candle to begin releasing some of that potential chemical energy and turning it into kinetic energy. And that kinetic energy is coming out in the form of heat. And so that heat is basically is causing the air around the candle to expand. And so she is going to get in the device, in the little can here, and see if she can get it to see if the candle has enough power to pull her across the lake. And it looks like it does. There it goes. So what's happening is cool air is rushing in through the mouth of the can. It's being heated by the candle. It's expanding. It's pushing on this thermal sail, the flap here, and it's rising out of the back, and that's causing the can to move forward and move across the little pond here. And that's allowing our friend Susie to meet up with Timmy, Tommy, and Joey. Hey guys! They're like, hey! So her boat can go about its way, and they can have their party. They can go to the movie or whatever they want to do.